In case you don't realize, buying, selling a home, doesn't matter. Those Callaways are the ones that you need to be contacting because they're gonna take care of you. And the best thing is we always get Kelly Callaway to tell us about amazing homes.
Hi, Tiffany.
How are you?
I do have a wonderful home today.
Yay.
This home is 4-bedroom, 3 baths. Absolutely gorgeous. It's 2796 square feet.
Oh, nice.
Constructed in 1989 in Arabian View subdivision. Magic 85254.
We love that area.
Yes.
Okay.
And it has everything in it. It has wood flooring, has beautiful tile. It's been nicely updated. It has all the little extras like keyless entry and the fun doorbell with the camera.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
It's got a plush backyard with a beautiful pool.
It sounds fabulous.
It has room for everybody in this house, and the rooms are all nice size. Absolutely a treasure.
And the
$599,900.
That's it.
Yes,
for our favorite zip code.
Yes, it is priced very well for all the amenities in this house.
It really is. All right, well, as we always say, they need to check that one out. It's going to go fast. If not, they can get something else because you're going to help them.
Absolutely, we will.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tiffany.